All right, guys, let's go this way. Used car. Oh, diesel. Used car department. Uh-oh. What they doing over here?
I just took it apart. What up, dude?
What up? What y'all doing, man?
Put the starter in.
A starter? Why you got the intake off?
Is there some starters right there?
Whoa! Show is. Holy shit.
You like that?
You gotta take the intake off to get to the starter. Yep. This is the starter. What are you cranking over? What are you spinning? That's the transmission right there, right? So it's gonna grab the flywheel and spin the engine over. Dude, what is this?
An Infiniti Nissan.
That's the funniest shit I've seen in a long time.
Bolts from the outside? Bolts from the outside? Yeah, bolts from the outside, which sucks because I was like, oh yeah. I was thinking about pushing the intake up and then trying to slide underneath it. Yeah. And then I was like, but the intake wasn't that bad. It really wasn't.
It's like a Hemi intake, eh? Taking it off.
Easier than a Hemi. It didn't have any fucking fuel going through it.
That's easier than a Hemi.
Like an angle me flex head wrench.
What, the intake?
Nah, to take the start off. Like a flex head.
Yeah, you got a wrench right down there.
I got a wrench down there, and I got a flex head for it too, but I couldn't. The bolts were so damn tight, I had to do stack wrench.
Oh, yeah. Get leverage.
Put a regular wrench on it just to get it broke loose. Yep. But anyways, I'll be back on it in a minute.
What's wrong with the starter? You didn't push it in. I saw you driving in, so. Oh, we pushed it in?
Yeah.
Me, I wasn't here. Oh. Oh, really? Oh. Y'all hear that? It's a Nissan thing. Where my Nissan guru was at? Why y'all didn't tell me about such technology? So if they committed to doing all that to get a starter, they obviously committed to selling this. So, hence, that's why we're making that repair, guys. Interesting.
Especially journeys. I'm not dumb this shit.
On that. Oh. XQ56. Infiniti. So. So like you heard him say, guys, this intake was fairly easy to get off. Is this a V6 or V8? I'm trying to see. So no matter where it's located, guys, the starter's #1 main objective, its goal is to turn the crankshaft. If automakers or engineers found a spot where they can store a starter in order for it to grab the flywheel and rotate it, so be it. Who says, now see, like a Dodge product, you can't have like a 3.6, you can't have an oil filter adapter housing down there living with a starter. So it's all in the engineers, what they like. This must have been the only place they can find to put. Like I said, you can't reach the flywheel from there because the transmission is right there. The starter wheel spin over. Let's see this. Yes, same. It's a typical starter. It's just where its location is at. Good guys. We don't see this kind of stuff often, so when we see it, it's shocking. All right, I'm going this way, guys. Alrighty, guys. Hey, what we got here? Hey. Oh, y'all see our charging port? This is where we charge up. This has to be a Pacifica hybrid. Yes. Ooh, this is like a new one. Okay, it is new. It's likely PDI in it. God, look at the price on this thing, guys. $51,000, $45,000 base price. Oh, right here. Pacifica Hybrid Limited. It is nice. Oh, they got it locked. Like somebody gonna take it at the dealership. You're a bad dude, you steal a car on the facility. It's nice. Hybrid, guys. This is what I used to. This is what I always wanted when I was doing ride share, but I don't do Uber and Lyft anymore. Okay, so I'm out of that life. I ain't about that life. That was some dangerous stuff, but I managed to stay safe throughout it. All right, so yeah, just a little sneak preview at our Pacifica Hybrid. Getting a nice little charge, I guess. Okay. All right, guys, let me get out of here. Used car department, what they doing? Somebody traded in a Nissan. And guess what, guys? They got a Jeep product. I say kudos to them. Don't nobody want no Nissan. Jeep's the best SUV out. This is a Nissan what? Oh, it's a Pathfinder, guys. Okay. Nissan Pathfinder. Now, what do we have equivalent to this? Y'all see that real good? Grand Cherokee, maybe? Dodge Durango. Both of those SUVs are equivalent to this. Me personally, I would much rather have the Jeep. Sorry, it's just a V6 or V8. The likelihood of it being a 4-cylinder is slim, just because of the mere size of the body. Push start. What a key? Y'all know I like to see the key. Oh, he must got it with him. I want to see what's under the hood. Let's see. Anybody want to take a stab? V6, V8. Ladies and gentlemen, it is. Whoa. Is that a 4-banger? Boy, was I wrong. No, that's not a 4-banger. I see 2 banks. It's a V6, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. I see 3 cores, which means there's 3 cylinders per bank. It's a V6. I don't think there's any such thing as an inline 3-cylinder, do y'all? But oh, plus it says V6 right there. What is wrong with me? I'm slipping, guys. It's late. It's getting late and I'm tired and I'm done for the day. Guys, appreciate y'all watching. I'm going back to the other side.